Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber Sharnice, and this is our Sunday reset video. If you're new, definitely go ahead and smash the subscribe button. And if you're not, thank you so much for tuning back into the channel. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you know every single time I post a new video. So you guys, after a long morning of filming, it is time to reset for the week. So after filming, I'm just going to go ahead and take all this makeup off my face. As beautiful as it is, you guys, I just can't seem to wear makeup all day anymore. So I went ahead and decided to wash all this product off my face. And I decided to get a nice fresh start to the day. As you can see, I'm just going through with a quick little skincare routine so I can, refresh myself and get started for the rest of the day. Now, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and step on up into the shower, okay? So after taking off my makeup, I do want to continue to cleanse and refresh myself so that I can be ready for the day. And of course, y'all know how that goes. Clean, clean, scrub, scrub, rub, rub, and out the tub, okay? Now it is time to get comfy. On Sundays, I like to be in a chill, nice loungewear type of outfit. Nothing tight, nothing crazy, just so that I can get things done around the house. We're going to do a little laundry, taking some things out of the cycles. Then we're going to go ahead and wash a couple of dishes. So that way, for the week, there's no laundry to do and there's no cleaning that we need to do for the dishes or in the kitchen, because who just has time to do that on a fresh week? Want to go ahead and get everything set and ready to go. I like to take this time to finish and finalize any work projects that I've got to do for Design by A, my graphic design company. Also, any editing or anything I need to schedule or post for YouTube as well. I like to do that here. And I like to take the time to do that now. So therefore, I won't have to worry about work for the rest of the day. And now it's time to rest and relax, okay? And I'm going to do that with my new Terelax eye massager, you guys. I know what you're saying. You're like, sis, an eye massager? Really? Yes, absolutely. You guys, I never thought that I would need something like this, but when the company Terelax reached out to me again to work with them, I was super excited and I wanted to try a new product as opposed to the foot massager that I got with them last year. So I tried out their eye massager, and you guys, this thing is absolutely amazing. I am a person to have headaches very often, and slapping this on my face with the massager on and the heat on really seems to calm down those headaches. As you can see, the massager moves back and forth in there. It suctions, it has kneading, everything that you need, and it's also not too harsh on your actual eye. I get the most relaxation when I am getting like my temples massaged. And as you guys can see here, I've gotten upstairs, I've relaxed on the couch for a little bit. I threw my eye massager on, and I tell you, y'all, I was almost out. I was gonna go to sleep, okay? It was feeling that good. But yes, this thing has so many features, the vibrations, the settings, the modes itself. It even also plays like ambience music, and it's just so crazy. Like, I was in a rainforest. I just felt like it was just so euphoric, and I don't know, you guys, it was very, very relaxing. So if this is something that you're interested in, I would definitely leave the link in the description and coupons, all that good stuff down below. And there's nothing like a nice, wholesome meal on a Sunday. I know on like Fridays or Saturday, you don't really feel like cooking, so you could definitely choose the option to eat out. I decided to go ahead and prepare one of my HelloFresh meals that I received, and you guys, it was absolutely delicious and very, very wholesome and nutritious as well. And of course, your girl have to get a nice, relaxing glass of wine. So after doing all that, after eating, I want to go ahead and make sure I plan and prep my week. This is a new month, it's April, so there's a lot of planning and prepping that I have space, I have time to do. I really like to get in here and get very, very detailed with what I need to do, because I'm one of those people that has to write it down. If I don't write it down, there's no way I'm going to remember. So I like to get in here and let myself know exactly what needs to be done, when it needs to be done. Things like that, and it just really helps me keep a schedule and keep track of the things that I need to do. Otherwise, like I said, you guys, those things will not get done. I also like to take out this book. This book, I have written down all of like my affirmations, all my goals for the year. And I really like to get in there and kind of reflect on those as much as I can each week, so I can keep myself on track with that as well. After I've done all that, girl, I like to go upstairs, turn on the projector, and watch me a little TV. I found this Mike Epps stand-up show, and I was like, heck yes, hilarious, okay? So I did that as well. And you guys, this was my Sunday reset, my relaxation, my planning and prepping, my cooking, all the things that I like to do on Sundays to get me prepared and started for the next week, and also ease my mind from all the things that have taken place the week before. Just really, really comforting to have a routine, be set in them, and it helps life go by much easier and planned on schedule. So thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel. If you are not subscribed, definitely go ahead and subscribe now. If you are, thanks so much for tuning into this video. You guys follow me over on Instagram at Amber Charnice, and thank you again for watching the video.